apply in our daily lives?
Basically, it's a right, obviously. It's not a fundamental right. It is a legal right. That's why it is called an act. Fundamental rights are mentioned in our constitution. Everybody know about constitution and fundamental rights. How many rights are there? 8 to 9 fundamental rights are there, right? So these are mentioned in our constitution. There is one fundamental right. Article 90A says we have a right to life, and that life is a good life. The basic purpose was, like she said, transparency and accountability of government. Half of you might be aspiring to become government officers or in the future. So you'll be knowing it that what is it? Transparency and accountability to whatever you are doing. So let us turn to the basic act, what it says and what it does. I would like to distribute some application forms. I guess many of you must have seen the format of application form. Just have it a look. I have very few copies, few are in English and few in Marathi. Just have it a look. This is the form through which you are going to ask the information. Any official. Have you been to any government office? This information, this act says that every government office has to compulsory establish the information cell, which will be headed by a public information officer. He will be giving you the information. So you have to go ask for this form. Specifically, you have to ask for some information, like you can see it in the form. The date, the issue, you have to specify it. So, there are some procedural things set for the application, like when to apply, in how much time we should get the information. If we do not get the information, what to do? So, if we apply, suppose today, we have to get the information in 30 days. That is the time limit set. If we don't get the information in 30 days, then there is a penalty to the officer whom you have applied. 250 rupees per day penalty. So he can be penalized up to 25,000, right? So there are some restrictions. Some informations cannot be given out. Like some information is very vital to national security. So it cannot be given. These restrictions are always there.
Yeah, so then the amount of fees we pay, so with RTA we can ask them about the utilize the fees.
Yes, definitely. The projects which are done under PPP model, can we get information about that? Of course we can get, because that is funded by government. That means by public money. So of course we can get that.
So what is the entire procedure
Entire procedure, first thing is you have to go to any office from where you need information, get the form, or you can write it by hand also. This camps open झाले. Is it okay if I talk in Marathi? Everybody knows. Yes. Camps जे ओपन झाले हे सगळे उद्योग थोडा आपण म्हणू शकतो की हे रिपोर्टर्सचे उद्योग आहेत and they got the information. Reporters have their own sources of information. You must be knowing. So few things they sort from RTI, few things they use their own resources, and actually their resources are pretty much strong. See it, take it in a positive way. Normally a lot of information is so moto being given to us, which earlier was not available. Offices are disclosing their information, procedural details and everything. That is the most positive point of it. Again, second thing, you can seek information, whatever you need. So use the information in proper way. Normally what we learn in colleges is problem finding, and we stop there. We are very good at finding problems, but we don't go beyond that. We don't go to solving the problems. And to solve the problems we need information or data